In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted tasks in ClickUp. If you accidentally removed a task and need to bring it back, don't worry. ClickUp keeps deleted tasks and other deleted items in the trash for a limited time, which gives you a chance to restore them before they're gone for good. I'll walk you through exactly where to find that option, and how to confirm that your task has been recovered successfully. To get started, make sure you're on your ClickUp home workspace. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. This is where you'll access account and workspace related options. Go ahead and click the profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click on Trash. This will open the trash page for your workspace where deleted items are temporarily stored. On the trash page, you'll be able to review items that have been deleted. It's important to know that deleted tasks, along with other deleted content, are safely kept in your workspace trash for 30 days before they are permanently deleted. So if the task was deleted recently, there's a good chance you can still recover it. Next, find the task you want to restore. If there are a lot of items in the trash, take a moment to carefully scan the list so you choose the correct one. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple tasks with similar names. Once you've located the task, click the three-dot menu next to it. This will open a small action menu. From there, select Restore. As soon as you do that, ClickUp will recover the task and return it to its previous location in your workspace. After the task has been restored, it should disappear from the trash list. That's a quick visual confirmation that the recovery worked. If you no longer see it in trash, that usually means the task has been successfully moved back into your active workspace. Now head back to My Tasks to verify that the recovered task is available again. You should be able to find it there and continue working on it just like before it was deleted. And that's it. Your task is now recovered and back inside ClickUp. Thanks for watching. As a quick reminder, if you ever delete something by mistake, it's a good idea to check the trash as soon as possible so you can restore it within that 30-day window. Hopefully this helped you get your task back quickly and easily.